Purchasing a Zebra OneCare maintenance plan protects your devices, helps ensure maximum uptime, and protects your device investment. And with many plans to choose from, there's a plan to fit your specific business and operational needs. Our commissioning services help ensure your devices are ready to go, right out of the box. We'll preload your devices with your preferred operating system version, Lifeguard for Android, as well as your software, applications, configurations, settings, and other requirements. Imagine your repaired or replaced devices delivered to your doorstep fully configured and ready to use. It's a great way to provide additional uptime to your employees and your operations, improving your bottom line productivity and your customer satisfaction levels. Your repaired or replaced devices are ready to use upon arrival out of the box. Standard commissioning services are included in your Zebra OneCare Select maintenance plan, or added as an enhancement to your Zebra OneCare Essential plan. For larger, more complex multinational deployments, Zebra's Advanced Commissioning Service offers high-level commissioning to fit your needs. We can leverage your EMM to commission devices at the service center, including correct user groups, profiles, and attributes for optimal operational management. Advanced commissioning also offers more complex physical commissioning, where we'll pair devices with third-party accessories, add custom asset tags, and enable SIM cards with your cellular carrier. What's on your Zebra device matters, your one-stop shop for repair and device commissioning. Maximize device uptime and reduce operational complexity with ready-to-go devices right out of the box to get your workers back in business fast.